Today we're going to be revealing a game-changing method to create amazing click-worthy thumbnails in under 5 minutes using the power of the AI. So to get started, let's start with a thumbnail time sink. So we all know how crucial thumbnails are for getting fixed, but let's be honest, designing them can be really time sink. So hours spending in the complex software trying different layouts, fonts and images, it eats into your valuable content creation time. So what if there was a faster and easier way? So here, what we're doing here today is to use Canva. Now Canva generates stunning thumbnails in literally minutes. This AI-powered platform takes the hassle out of the process, letting you focus into what you do the best, which is creating awesome videos. Right, so here's the highlight, lightning fast process. I'm going to sign up and input here my account. Once I am here into Canva, what I'm going to do here is to go into the option that says Design Today. And let's say, for example, here where it says Canva AI. I click into Canva AI. Now here, what I want to do here, let's say Design for me. Let's say a YouTube, and there we go. It says now thinking. And we have now a few ideas with artificial intelligence. So it's really important to describe your vision. In the prompt field, it's going to be really important to enter, for example, the background. Really important to enter a huge number, for example, the number specific, the better the AI can understand. So generate and browse. So click into generate button. Within the seconds, the AI will present you with multiple thumbnail options based into what you have now created, and choose the one that best suits for yourself. So for example, I think that the best one should be, let's say for more designs, and there we go. It's going to be mapped out all of it. Now most AI tools offer basic but effective customizations. We can look out for options, for example, like changing the text, adjust the colors, minor adjustments. This is the part what I do love to do, let's say work with Canva, because if there's something that you liked in here, for example, let's say that I choose this one, we can use the Canva editor. This will be taking us directly into the editor where you can just start to changing the elements of what we're seeing in here. For example, this for me is useless. So I just select all of these elements, I delete it. Let's say, for example, that I choose this image to put it right into the center, like this. I double click and I put it into the center, right? So this is more eye-catcher. So if I just select my new text, or I select a new text here, let's say the end, and I wanted to make this, since this is actual thumbnail, I wanted to make this a little bit bigger. So the artificial intelligence can be helping me to get started, but still I have to do a lot of stuff by myself. For example, in this case, to enter more text, to deliver it by myself and figure out this one is actually worthy or not. Right? So I have here at the end, and basically that will be actually it. Lastly, what I can do is just to hit into the edit and try to make my image a little bit more eye-catchy. For example, there you go. And if I see it here as a thumbnail, it actually looks really well. So lastly, what you want to do is just to download and done it. So once you find your thumbnail you love, once you have quick edited, you're now ready to go. So here into the option that says sure, go for download, and here choose a PNG file and make this specific size, which is 1280 by 720, and hit into download. Next, what you can do is to, for example, add a new page. And even here, I can go directly into elements and generate an image generator. For example, let's say YouTube thumbnail about AI, and generate a few images. Now we can try with these generate for me, or we can try with the Magic Media. Both are really great applications that we can choose automatically. What I can suggest to you is that when you create an actual thumbnail of YouTube using Canva, the best thing to do is to use Canva as elements and use those elements to generate and craft your own thumbnail. As you can see, this prompt that I have just created, this thumbnail just generated me like 2 minutes, and in this case I do have more and more and more. So in this case, this is what we do have so far. So hopefully guys, was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. You can throw down to the comments below what you think about the artificial intelligence, what you think about generating here clips with the Canva, and why this is a game changer. So Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Try once again to be specific, mention emotions, be specific of the visual elements, consider of course a few colors. So talk about the colors, decide your mood, include it into the prompt, really important, and experiment. Don't be afraid to try different prompts, because at the end of the day this is totally for free, so that's totally optional. So you're looking for level up your YouTube game without spending hours of thumbnails, this might be a really game changer. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, and hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you next time. See you guys soon.